It's almost midnight.
This place is a goddamn pigsty.
Clean was never her strong suit.
What are you doing here?
My house.
You know what I mean. I don't want you to see it this way.
Mom, you don't have to do this.
Look, I just want to get it livable. Buy you some decent carpet. Cigarette burns everywhere.
Mom.
Get you out of that dorm room. Back home with your son.
Mom, for Christ's sake, stop cleaning. He's not gonna make it.
What are you talking about? What happened?
He was born with half a stomach and a hole in his heart. He's gonna die.
Don't you say that. You are the only one this boy's got. You don't believe he's gonna live, you might as well go down there and kill him yourself. Sorry. You gotta go see him, Jax.
I can't.
Why? He'll break your heart. It's called being a father.
For how long? A day? A week?
You know, you were born with that same heart defect your little brother had. Seemed pretty sturdy to me. I came through hell, landed on my feet. Your father was hit by a goddamn semi, dragged 178 yards, and that bastard lived for 2 more days. Tellers do not die easy.
No, he just died bloody.
And that's the Irish in us.
You and Dad hooked up. Ever talk to you about his vision? About what he wanted from the club?
His vision was, you know, what it is. A brotherhood. Family.
Running guns? You want that?
Never talked about that. Why?
Found a box of his old shit in the storage unit. There's like pictures and journals and things I never knew about him.
What kind of things?
It seemed like his original idea for the EMC was something simpler. You know, social rebellion. He called it a Harley commune. It wasn't outlaw, it was real hippie shit.
We had a lot of bright ideas back then. We were kids. Your father became a man. Men take care of business.
Yeah, we do. You should get home, Mom. Finish cleaning tomorrow. I'll lock up.